Now, one place that we know there's, well, I won't say there's not life inside of it because Pluto's turned out to be a pretty weird place and it could have an ocean down under there for all we know. There's some folks that think it might, but a really weird result came out recently that they think there are actually ice volcanoes on Pluto. And you're seeing here sort of a side view of one, and they give off sort of a slushy material. If I fast forward here, you can see the different compounds. I won't name them all, but there's nitrogen and sort of the CH materials and things like that. But there are differences around it that make them think there were flows, that there were actually, well, lava flows of a slushy water-like material that was mixed with nitrogen and methane and other ices. So we go forward again, you can see, again, sort of that view of what might be, get my laser pointer out here, what might actually be sort of the core of a volcano, and then these materials that they've marked in different colors, and these hummocky terrains that don't have a lot of craters on them. So they wonder, how do you get a terrain that doesn't have very many craters? Well, it means it's new. And if that terrain is new, it's been resurfaced. So maybe it was resurfaced by an ice volcano. So again, you can see this sort of hummocky, hillocky, little hills all over the place material that's very unusual, but it's seen on Pluto, and it may be evidence that there are actually these ice volcanoes. And then lastly, if you do have ice volcanoes, it might explain why Pluto's atmosphere has these layers and is actually a little denser than a lot of theories would have predicted. Well, I shouldn't say theories, but a lot of hypotheses predicted that Pluto's atmosphere wouldn't be quite as dense as it is, especially this late. It's moving away from the sun. Well, if you're replenishing some of that material through volcanic action, you could actually make it thicker.